the sequel to my puppies. My cute little puppies. My adorable little puppies. Right now, you see Snoopy sleeping in his natural habitat, which is the backyard. Whoa, somebody twitched. He's a crazy fool. Now let's see my other crazy fool. What? What? Chica, what? Uh-oh, the booger awaked. Hey, booger. Hey, booger. Hey, baby. Now my other booger woke up. Hey, booger. Hey, bebecito. Oh, my babies are jumping to see me. Yes, my Snoopy poop. My Snoopy butt. My biscuit. Hey, biscuit. What? Don't sniff the camera, boo. You have seen my doggies. Whoa, not too close, bucko. I love those eyes. Those beautiful eyes. I know you don't like being stared at, baby. Yeah. Not too much pushing. No, you can't come in anymore. You've turned into an outside dog. You have just visited the backyard zone.